Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're making Don the Beachcomber's famous Tiki concoction, the Zombie. Now, the Mai Tai might be the king of Tiki drinks, but in my opinion, the Zombie really captures what a Tiki drink is all about. A buttload of ingredients, some high-proof rum, and some tropical flavors. With that said, let's jump right in. We're going to start with my favorite rum, Appleton Estate. So a full ounce of gold rum goes in the glass. Now I'm not using the traditional rums here, but feel free to experiment, use your favorite rums. That's what it's all about. So next up, I'm gonna go with Havana Club's 7-year-old dark rum. Do an ounce of that as well. Alright, next up, we're going with some straight up 151 proof rum. I'm using Gosling's. So this really packs a punch. Full ounce of 151. Alright, so we got our 3 ounces of rum in there. Next up, our citrus, which we're going to do in 2 parts. So first up, we're going to do 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And followed up with 1/4 ounce of grapefruit juice. Alright, on to our syrups. I'm using 1/4 ounce of grenadine. This is store-bought grenadine. I tend to not make my own because I don't use a lot of grenadine, and homemade syrups tend to go bad pretty quickly. Next up, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of falernum syrup. Now, classically, this would call for velvet falernum, which is a rum-based falernum liqueur. I don't have access to that, so I'm just using this syrup by Fee Brothers. It's great. You're going to get the same flavor profile. Last syrup, we're going to do our cinnamon syrup. I'm using Torani. You could easily make your own. 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup. All right, and down to the last few ingredients, we're going to do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And last but certainly not least, a dash of absinthe. All right, and just like most Tiki cocktails, we're going to use crushed ice in this drink. So Lewis bag, mallet, smashy smashy, you got yourself some crushed ice. You know the drill. Alright, so let's fill your glass with crushed ice. Excellent. Do the obligatory flippy move. And commence shake. Now we're just doing a really quick whip shake here. We just need to mix the drink together. It's crushed ice, so it's gonna dilute, it's gonna chill very quickly. No need for a long shake. We're using a tall Collins glass. If you had kind of a tall Tiki glass or a Tiki mug, go ahead and use that. Slow, sexy pour into the glass. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? Okay, top off with a little more crushed ice. Create that kind of snow cone top. And let's move on to garnish. Now, this is a Tiki drink, so, I mean, really go nuts with the garnish. I'm gonna, start with a long straw. And I'm gonna go with a sprig of mint here, give it a slap to release those aromatics. Stick it there next to the straw. Gonna do a lime wedge as well. Put that right next to it. And a nice Luxardo cherry. But, I mean, this is a Tiki drink. Go crazy with the garnish if you want to. Put an umbrella on there. Put an edible orchid if you got it. And there you go. There is your Zombie. This is a very tasty drink. I mean, where to begin? There's just so much going on in this drink. First off, the rum. We use dark rum, so we got that rich molasses flavor. The 151 definitely gives it a kick, but it's still very drinkable. The syrups, the combo of falernum and cinnamon gives that nice spicy note, but it's not overly sweet. And of course, that dash of absinthe at the end. On the finish, you get a mild anise, black licorice kind of flavor. It's fantastic. Really good drink. Give it a try, guys. I know there's a lot of ingredients, big shopping list in this one, but I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like the video, comment below, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell. We'll notify you when we upload new videos. We'll see you next time. Cheers.